Welcome back, everyone. Well, people have three main sources from which they build wealth, and those three are income, assets, and home equity. But how do you access your home equity? Well, this morning we're learning how to unlock and access that with tips from reverse mortgage specialist Kevin Guttman. Kevin, welcome back to the show.
Thank you.
Very interesting subject here because, yes, you can absolutely do that. But how do you do that? First of all, what concerns do seniors have when they're living on a fixed income?
So the number one concern I hear from seniors is they're concerned about outliving their money. So they're healthy, they're living longer, they don't know how long they're going to live, they're concerned they haven't saved enough for retirement. Baby boomers are the first generation that have had to fund their own retirement, so that's their fear, running out of money.
I absolutely understand that. So with that said, how can they increase the odds of not running out of money?
So as you said, everybody has three buckets we draw money from. The thing about home equity is it's the largest piece of somebody's net worth, but it's locked up. They can't get to it, and it earns 0% interest. So what a reverse mortgage does, it just gives them access to earn interest on their equity and to access it.
Got it. Okay, so what are ways senior homeowners can access their home equity?
Sure. So people have three choices. They can sell their home, pay the realtors the fee to sell their home, 6%. They can get a cash out refinance or a home equity line of credit, have a monthly payment, or they can get a reverse mortgage, access their equity, and have no monthly payment.
And who doesn't like the sound of not having a monthly payment? I think for a lot of people, are the proceeds from a reverse mortgage taxable?
They are not, because loans aren't taxed. So this is a loan, you get the money, it's not taxed.
Okay, and talking about a reverse mortgage, is something like this safe for seniors?
Yeah, that's a good question. You know, the program's been around since 1961.
Okay.
1988, HUD started overseeing it through the Federal Housing Administration. And in the last 5 years in particular, they've made it much safer for seniors.
Okay, and hopefully much more information out there as well. That's where you come in for somebody to be able to do this. Okay, so when it comes to senior homeowners, how can they utilize the funds from a reverse mortgage?
So they can do anything really except one thing. They can't buy an annuity. They can take a trip, they can remodel the kitchen, they can help the kids or the grandkids, they can pay off debt. Really the only restriction is they cannot buy an annuity, because in effect they're already annuitizing their equity through monthly payments, lump sum, or a line of credit.
Got it. You know, I think a reverse mortgage sounds like it's a good thing for a lot of people out there, especially the seniors. Let's talk about the process that you have to follow in order to obtain a reverse mortgage. Like, what do you do from step one to completion?
Yeah, so I offer initial consultation initially, either in person or by Zoom, just to get to know people, find out if this is a good fit for them. We want to be sure that the program is going to accomplish their goals and objectives. Then they do a phone counseling appointment. We collect a few documents. We sign the loan paperwork. We get into underwriting, get the appraisal done, and then we close. Usually it takes about 30 to 45 days.
Okay, so 30 to 45 days. And I want to ask you in closing one final question. Have you seen this work very well for a lot of your clients?
I have so many stories. In fact, clients call me up sometimes. You say, you have no idea, this has changed my life.
Oh, wow.
I don't have to worry about money anymore. You know, we're not sweating making that. A mortgage payment's the largest expense somebody has in their budget.
Yeah.
So we wipe that off the table. It just gives them some breathing room. And I've heard many, many of my clients tell me what a game changer it's been for them.
Yeah, and especially when you've got somebody like Kevin who's very, very good at this, and the professional who's there to help you, take you through that process. And 30 to 40 days is, look, nothing in comparison to relief for the rest of your life. So this is definitely something to consider. Kevin, thank you so much for being with us this morning. I want everybody to learn how to get a hold of you. If you would like more information, go to reversemortgagerevolution.com for more. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Of course, this segment has been sponsored by Evergreen National Bank.